Hi folks, St. Paul Steam here with my latest project. You can see this one varies a little bit from any of the other ones I've done. We've got a brass fence around 2/3 of this one. And it's solid brass, even the screws. I hand turned the bases. And posts are 3/16. And we've got a little stand right there. And you can see we go all the way around. And I've given this my usual treatment, which is ball bearings and the stanchions there. And I made nice full ball bearings right there. Swing around, and we've got one of my tags on there. It says it's a 75 EL BB. Modifications by me. And of course the firebox, chimney, and chimney stand have all been bead blasted and resprayed very high temperature burnt orange. This one's a dual fuel. It can take pellets in it, and right there, very clean. The whole thing's been spotlessly cleaned as much as it's able to be. I put one of my variacs in here, and of course it's got a immersion rod heater in it. It's capable of a little over 550 watts. It's very powerful for this size boiler. And my variac there, and we've got a brass bezel with the I don't know if I can capture it, SPS insignia down at the bottom. There it is. And a heavy duty 3/16 grounded gauge cord. Enough talking, let's fire this puppy up. Okay. Crank it all the way up. We'll hear the immersion rod heater start to kick in. But I've completely touched everything on this. Except the handles. I need to repaint them red. I kind of forgot that. But this is about an early 70s model. And you can tell she's coming up to, it only takes about 2 minutes for it to come up to steam. 2 to 3 minutes with that powerful heater in it. Let's see what she's putting out. 572 watts. Alright. It's been warmed up a little bit. I added some water because I had a run. Probably ready to go. Not too long. Not just yet. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, it should be ready to go now. Put this there to catch a little condensate right off the bat. Yeah, we got enough. And we're off and running. I'm going to build up a little pressure, and then we'll put a generator to it. I really like those faux brass governor balls. As mentioned, we got roller ball bearings in the axle as well. Alright, let's hook a generator up to it. It's really screaming now. Okay. Yeah. course, you can blow that bulb easily. This is the generator up here. Two on the right pin. Junction tag on the front. Two oilers. And an on-off switch. And of course, it's got two 3-tiered pulleys on it. And diesel. Alright folks, as always I appreciate it. Thanks for looking. Thanks for looking by.